In Brothers in Arms.
Before he died, my dad told me every soldier has two families. Those you raise, and those you raise hell with. I never asked to be squad leader.
Baker! Stand in the door!
But I had no choice. I can't remember the last time my dreams weren't about everything that happened in Normandy. When it was good.
So you're saying I couldn't hawk this in England?
Alan, it says to Matthew on the side.
So? There's probably loads of Matthews in England. Matthews who want a gaudy silver pistol.
Let me see it. Holy hell, this gun weighs a ton. You could put a hole in Superman with this.
Nothing could put a hole in Superman.
That thing could.
Dreams I can't forget.
Baker!
I'm so sorry.
Leggett, what happened? The truth tore him apart.
Want me?
But he kept it to the end of the mission.
Take me!
To the end of his life. There were heroes born.
We wait for the smoke to build. If it screams, shoot it. If it screams in German, shoot it again.
There were things that happened after our victory in Normandy. And there were things that happened way before.
Mom said I can't keep this. Sorry, Dad.
So much had happened.
Keep up the fire, and we don't die here.
So much had happened.
You think you'll get all the credit again?
Definitely. Anybody get hit on the line?
What do you know about Leggett?
Yes.
No. No one got hit. Damn miracle.
So much had happened, and we were just getting started.